So chiropractic ecology is when the chiropractor shows up this way, matching this beautiful place of growth of themselves, right? So this is why we as chiropractors have to continually work on ourselves, emotionally, psychologically, spiritually, physically, and then definitely through the hands through the art form. So when we show up in that way and serve our people and then educate them about the possibilities of this life, they in turn have the opportunity to experience the promise of chiropractic. So their lives radically change. This is why chiropractors who serve like this, right? They serve somebody and this woman stands up and walks out of an abusive relationship without having counseling, because she remembers who she is and she doesn't have to tolerate that. People walk out of abusive jobs that they've sold their soul for to get whatever insurance, and they go, no, I can't live my life this way. I need to find my purpose on this planet and live it. And this happens by getting adjusted. Like, well, how does that work? Well, that's for another tape. But this is what happens when chiropractors show up in that place. Otherwise, when they don't, and they're only showing up for treatment protocol, then that's the outcome for the person. Like, hey, that's nice, your headaches went away. But beyond that, nothing changes.